Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of Project Zomboid, you know how intense it can get with those relentless zombie hordes respawning everywhere. In this video, we're tackling a super useful tweak for the 2025 version, turning off zombie respawn to give you more control over your survival world. Whether you're building a fortified base or just want a less overwhelming experience, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you're in the main menu of Project Zomboid. Click on Options, and then head to the Sandbox Settings. This is where the magic happens. In the Sandbox menu, you'll find a section for zombie behavior. Look for the option labeled Zombie Respawn, or something similar. It might be under Population, or Spawning Mechanics, depending on your game version. Once you're there, simply toggle the Zombie Respawn setting to Off. It's that straightforward. But wait, if you're playing on a modded game or a custom server, you might need to dig a little deeper. For advanced users, open the game's configuration files. Navigate to your Project Zomboid install folder, find the zombie.ini or sandboxvars.lua file, and edit the respawn multiplier to 0. Save the file and restart the game to apply the changes. Remember, turning off respawn can make the game easier, so it's perfect for story-focused playthroughs or beginners. If you run into any issues, double-check that you're on the latest 2025 update, as settings can vary. And always back up your files before editing to avoid any mishaps. There you have it. Zombie-free zones are now at your fingertips. Give this a try in your next play session and see how it transforms your gameplay. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Project Zomboid tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite survival strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe out there.